Sideburn waxing is very popular when it comes to facial waxing. This is an area that some people have more of just the darker, thicker fuzz, and then other people have more of the hair that goes further down on the sideburn. I use my thumb to keep the hair up out of the way, and what falls down is usually what I get unless they request something different. I start with downward strips and then I do an opposite direction cleanup strip to be able to get those stubborn little fuzzies. I love using hard wax, especially in those sensitive areas like the face, because your skin is not going to be left as red and it's a lot more sensitive. It is less painful, less likely to rip the skin, and it leaves it super nice and smooth, great at makeup application, exfoliates afterwards. That is the main reason why people wax this area. Looks a lot more smoother and feels amazing. I love doing this to myself as well. Have you tried this?